everyone, it's Sheila and welcome to today's video. In today's video, guys, I have my Macys Beauty Box for the month of May. We are going to go ahead and get straight into this. But for those of you who do not know what Macys Beauty Box is, it is pretty simple. You get 5 deluxe beauty sample size products sent to your house every month for only $15. And you will also get a little makeup bag along with it. Now, I know they are sample size, but the important thing to note about this is they are deluxe items. They are deluxe, more higher end items. So that is why I like my Macys Beauty Box, because I get to try stuff that normally I cannot go out and just purchase a full size high end product to see if I like it. So now also, I want to take a moment to say I am this close to 1,000 subscribers. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, it would mean the world to me if you could help me hit my goal of hitting my 1,000 subscribers. And when I do, I'm going to be having a giveaway also to thank you guys for subscribing, for supporting me, for commenting, and click on that little bell. And when I upload my giveaway video, when I hit my 1,000 mark, you will be notified right away. This month's box is called Complexion Perfection. Here is the little bag that you get in this month's box, and I think this is super cute. I could see me throwing my eyeglasses in here, my driver's license, my credit card, my mask, heading out the door just for a quick run to the grocery store. It's easy to hold. I love the pink blush color of it. Let me hold it up for you guys. It has just this beautiful gold zipper, and inside is this month's items that we get. So I'm going to go ahead and we're going to unwrap the goodies and show you guys what I got. Also, guys, if I do disappear for a few days, I just want to share with you that my daughter, she's getting very close to delivering her babies. Some of you guys might know, you might not know, she is having twins, and they are identical twin girls. And we are so excited. But I would like to take a moment just to say, please keep her in your prayers. It is most likely going to be a C-section. One is breech and one is she's head down, so she's good. But also with twins, especially my daughter's version of twins, it's called Modi. Guys, I have learned so much about twins, twin birthing. But anyway, I just want to quickly say, please keep her in your prayers with twins. And she is starting to get some high blood pressure, which is preeclampsia. But this Saturday, today is Thursday, and they really want her to get to 36 weeks, which will be in 2 days. And when she does hit the 36-week mark in 2 days, she goes actually to the doctor today, and hopefully they're going to schedule her C-section, which we are praying is going to be the 18th. But it will be a 36-week delivery date, maybe 37 if her blood pressure stays normal. But either way, they are not going to let her go past 37 weeks. So it is in the very, very, very near future that she will be having the C-section. And they said because of her high blood pressure, even if the other baby flips, they are going to still do the C-section on her. So please keep her in your prayers. And there's a small chance. We do know one baby is over 5 pounds, and the other one at this point is measuring like 4 pounds, I think 12 ounces. So we are prepared. There might be a small NICU, that's neonatal intensive care unit. There might be a small stay in there depending on how well they do. But she's pretty far along, so the doctors are optimistic. They say everything looks good. There's a very good chance, as long as everything goes well, that they will not even have any NICU time. But unfortunately, in my state, which is really heartbreaking for me, I know I'm rambling on. We are talking about Macys Beauty Box. I hope I'm not boring you guys. It will be a 3-day hospital stay for my daughter. And if everything goes good, like I said, the babies won't have any NICU time, and they will get to come home with mom and dad. But unfortunately for grandmas and everybody else, all the other family members, only her husband's allowed in the hospital for the whole 3 days. And so that's heartbreaking for me because we will be doing FaceTime, of course. But that's really hard. It's only the husband's allowed or the birthing partner, whoever that would be. Okay, so please just, I know I went on a long little rambling speech, but please just say a little prayer for my daughter and for the babies. Their name is Scarlett and Stella, for a safe delivery and for a healthy 2 little babies. And they would truly mean the world to me. And okay, so let's get back. I was not expecting to go on that little talk there. Macys Beauty Box, like I said, and I really love this because you get the higher end products in this box. So we are going to start with the first one, and they always give you a perfume sample. And this month's perfume sample is Marc Jacobs, and this is Perfect by Marc Jacobs. And this is April Showers Bring May Flowers. And this is a bright daffodil and juicy rhubarb accord meets soft cashmerian and comforting notes of almond milk, dazzling and unexpected. Perfect, just like you. So last month's box, we had 2 samples, and they were by Jimmy Choo. One was a female scent and one was a male scent. I used both of them. I didn't care if one smelled like a man. I liked it personally. I thought it smelled really good. And plus my husband doesn't use cologne too often. The next item out of the box is this, and this is the Elemis Peptide 4 Overnight Radiance Peel. And this is skin smoothing AHAs, which is alpha hydroxy acids and nourishing botanical oils. And this exfoliates the skin, and it says you can use this, apply nightly onto clean skin and leave on overnight. The full size value of this is $78. So see what I mean? This is a good box to try higher end products and see if you like them before you invest $78. I mean, I'm sure some women out there could afford $78 to see if they like something, but not me. So this way I really get to try this. And another good name brand product is this, and this is Baremineral, and this is the new Ageless Retinol Treatment. Retinol treatment, guys. And the full size value of this, $62. Another example, I would not spend $62 to try a retinol. It is a plant-based, is in your corner, introducing a clean, vegan and plant-based retinol alternative that's just as effective at reducing lines. So a lot of you people out there who are vegan, and that's very important to you, here is a good alternative to you. And it says apply 1 to 2 pumps to the face at night after cleansing. So very good. And then this one, I am so happy. I have seen people talk about this one so many times, and I have I have my best face primer that I really truly love. But I have always wanted to try this one, and this is by Urban Decay, and this is All Night Face Primer. And this one says, it's all about that base. Prep your skin with the extra boost of hydration that smooths complexion, hides fine lines, and keeps your makeup exactly where you want it all day long. I love everything in that sentence. Hydration keeps your makeup on. And it says you could wear this alone or beneath your usual foundation. So I will definitely be giving this a try. I will try to remember to leave a product review on this one because I have heard so many good things about this. Speaking of another good name brand, guys, are you guys ready for this one? Look at this. Sunday Riley C.E.O. Vitamin C Brightening Serum. And the full size value of this, $85. And what you do for this is you apply 1 to 2 pumps to clean skin morning and night. And this says, get ready for a glow up. This brightens and leaves the skin feeling impossibly refreshed. So that is really good. We all know vitamin C creams are awesome. And the last one out is this, and it looks like it's called High Maintenance Cannabis Peeling Mask. And it says, after a busy week, your face could use a boost. Hemp seed oil and antioxidants helps to brighten dullness, remove impurities, and promote healthy skin. And the full size value of this would be $46. And it just says, gently massage into damp skin and wash the day away. Now, just to go over everything, I'm just going to, here's the little beauty bag, guys. And I'm just going to try to hold it in my hand. We got the high maintenance peeling mask. We had the Marc Jacobs perfume. We had the Urban Decay face primer. We had the Elemis overnight face peeling mask, and I don't have enough fingers. We have the Baremineral Ageless retinol cream. And we have finally, last but not least, Sunday Riley C.E.O. Vitamin C, 15% it actually says, for those of you who want to know about that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this bag this month. Please don't forget, if you have not subscribed, I'm that close to the 1K. Help me get to my goal of 1,000 subscribers. And keep my daughter in your prayers. And I appreciate each and every one of you. And I will be doing that giveaway soon, so keep an eye out for that. And I hope you guys have a lovely day. And I'll see you on my next one.